Today we discuss on to overcome fear and doubt. Fear whispers, what if you fail? Doubt answers, you're not good enough. But here's the truth, every person you admire once felt fear and doubt. The difference? They chose to move forward anyway. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever held yourself back because you were afraid of failing or doubted your ability to succeed, this message is for you. Fear and doubt are the invisible chains that keep millions of people from chasing their dreams. But the good news is, you don't have to let them control your life. What is fear and doubt? Fear is your brain's natural response to uncertainty. It tries to protect you by keeping you in your comfort zone. Doubt, on the other hand, is that inner critic questioning your skills, your worth, and your chances of success. Together, they create hesitation. And hesitation kills more dreams than failure ever will. Why it matters? If you don't learn to manage fear and doubt, you'll say no to opportunities, silence your voice, and live with regret. But once you overcome them, you build confidence, courage, and the momentum to finally go after the life you want. Challenges and obstacles. Here's what most of us face. Fear of failure. What if I mess up? Fear of judgment. What will people think? Self-doubt. Am I capable? Overthinking. Getting trapped in endless what-ifs. These are common, but they don't have to define your journey. Steps divided by strategies to overcome. Acknowledge your fear. Don't ignore it. Say, yes, I feel afraid, but I choose to act anyway. Reframe your mindset. Instead of what if I fail, ask what if I succeed. Take small steps. Break big goals into small actions. Each win builds momentum. Redefine failure. See it as feedback, not the end. Every mistake teaches you something. Practical tips and examples. Afraid of public speaking? Start by sharing your thoughts in a small group before aiming for a stage. Doubting your ability to start something big? Begin small, a side project, a short course, a single step forward. Nervous about rejection? Remember, even icons like Michael Jordan and J.K. Rowling were told they weren't good enough until they proved otherwise. Long-term mindset and consistency. Overcoming fear and doubt isn't about one brave moment, it's about building courage every single day. Fear loses its power when you face it regularly. Doubt fades when you act despite it. Surround yourself with positive people, stay consistent, and remind yourself that growth always lives outside of comfort. Closing inspiration. Fear will always exist. Doubt will always whisper. But courage isn't the absence of fear, it's the decision to move forward anyway. Every time you act, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. Call to action. If this video spoke to you, take one brave step today. Share in the comments what fear or doubt you're ready to overcome. Hit like if this gave you strength, and subscribe for more motivational videos to fuel your journey. Remember, your future self is waiting. Don't let fear keep you from meeting them.